Hello everyone, this is H-Man with another video. I know I said I wasn't going to do no more upgrades, but I did something. I put a 464 cam, Chris Rivas cam in her. Also, I forgot to tell y'all, I extended my floorboards out because I kept hitting the pipe and getting marks on it, rubber marks on it. That's my Saddleman seat. I finally put the backrest on there. That's about it. Y'all already know about the floorboards, all the other little stuff I did. If you can see the windshield, I've been had that windshield, but I was using the clear windshield that I purchased. But now I got two brackets so I can switch them out. But that ain't what we're here for. I'm here to let y'all listen to that Chris Rivas Rocket Cam 464. It's a torque cam that comes on around 1800 and runs through the rev limit. So let me let y'all get a good listen to that with the Shark Road pipes. Listen to her, she hitting hard. I'm auto-tuning also with the PV4. But my fuel map came from Fuel Moto. Let you listen to it from the back. That's that idle. Now I'm gonna rev it up for y'all. That's CJ, my Heritage 114 with the Chris Rivas Rocket Cam 464. So what do y'all think? Oh, I'm gonna put some Cobra 2-in-1 HP pipes on there later on. All right, thank y'all for looking.